Welcome to an Adventureengine overview of how payment types can be programmed for your tours. We've logged into our Adventureengine account as a tour operator and we've entered into our basic demo tour. This is one of our trips and we're now going to go in and we're going to program how we will be accepting payments from our clients as they book through on the website online. This will also be available when you go to do an offline sale using the system in your office. So we've already put in full payment being collected, but now we can go and we can add more options. So if you take deposits, you can set several different ways of taking deposits, either by percentage amount of the trip total, a fixed amount, which would be a dollar amount, or a deposit fixed amount per participant. So you can take it over the entire program, or you can take it per participant. So we click participant and then we go to add that payment option. So now we can see that we take a deposit fixed amount per participant. Will this be the default? You can check that off. So full payment may be your default, but they do offer the option as well to have a fixed amount per participant. The registration requirement means that you want your participant or the client to create a username and password. This is important if you are offering the option for clients to be able to log back in and pay the balance down themselves. So in this case, if I want to fully utilize the system to save me time as a tour operator, I'm going to check that off so that the clients, when they get their reminder notices, can click a link, come back in and pay their balance using their username and password. The cutoff is the amount of days before the deposit is not accepted. So what this means is in your terms and conditions you may allow deposits up to 30 days, for instance, before the trip departs. After that, this will no longer be an option. So let's put this in at 30 days before trip departure. This will be an option for clients. 29 days before departure, they're going to have to pay full payment. Balance due means the amount of days before the trip departs that they need to pay off their balance. This may be the same as the cutoff date, or it may be different. Perhaps it's only 15 days before departure you need that full payment. The Adventureengine system will go in and send an email to the client when the balance is due with a link that will allow the client to click on that and then come in and pay their balance down. So let's say that they need to pay $25 in order to put a deposit down. And now we can have that option, and that's already assigned to the tour. The other option that we do have is a tentative, if that's allowed in your account. What a tentative is it allows clients to do a booking, and it's almost like a quote, without paying anything at all. So a lot of tour operators will use the tentative option when they want to provide a quote, or folks can use the online form to pick a trip and then do an inquiry to the tour operator. The tour operator will then often call the client and, while they're having a conversation on the phone, take a deposit with the client at that time. So the system allows your online shopping cart to take a full payment, take a deposit, or to do a tentative order where no money is taken from the client at all. The system will also email the client when the balance is due with a link that the client can then log back in and pay the balance down. Different members of the trip can have their own username and password and log in and be able to pay their balance with their own Visa and MasterCard. So this is a quick overview of how payment options can work with the Adventureengine system. Thanks for watching this short video. Be sure to visit our website at adventureengine.com for more videos and to contact us for a private demo if you're interested in the system. Have a great day and many great adventures out there.